Starting this video leaving the Scillies. Very light winds, but not sure at the moment whether I'm going to make for St Ives or all the way to Milford Haven, which is where I want to get to tomorrow. On my own now, after having a crew for a week. This will be my longest sail on my own so far, which I'm really looking forward to. Just getting out of the lee of the islands. St Martin's over there. Wind's picking up a bit, which is good. Bit of swell, which is okay. Sea feathers happy. Or should I say Carly, as we still call her. Eastern Isles in the background. Going really well so far. Clear of the shipping lanes between Scillies and Land's End. For the last couple of hours we've been going along nicely, about 6 knots, which is okay. Lost the wind a couple of times, but it soon filled back in. Still got quite a swell running. Not really sure what's going to happen when the tide turns in a couple of hours, but we'll see. Not much I can do about it. Maybe we'll get a bit of a sunset later. I'm spending most of my time just relaxing in the cabin. I've got an interval timer app on my phone that I'm using, so I'm just down in the cabin. When it beeps, go up, check the AIS on the plotter, have a look round, make sure there's no ships too close, check the course with it making, check the sail set, and then come back and have another little rest. So it's all very easy so far. Shouldn't really say that because it's probably going to change at some point, but yeah, so far so good. It was all going a bit too well till about an hour ago. Heavy squall came in, killed the wind, and now we are becalmed. Perfect sailing conditions have now resumed. Sure, it can change again pretty quick, but after this morning's squalls and a couple of hours without very much wind, it's now back to as good as it gets, really. About 15 miles off the mouth of Milford Haven. Planning to anchor in one of the bays on the west hand side of the entrance, or maybe go as far as Dale and stop there. But it's absolutely fantastic at the moment. Really nice sailing, doing about 4.5 knots. Yeah, really good. Just passing St Anne's Head, which we did many times last summer. Just anchored Castle Beach Bay in the entrance to Milford Haven. Well happy, did it totally without the use of the engine. Sailed off the anchor from St Mary's and sailed into here, and then just dropped the anchor here. So that's the result. And tonight I can get some decent sleep. Middle of Jack Sound. This is Ramsey Sound. Got a bit of tide with us, doing 7 knots over the ground. Just at anchor off Abersock Beach. Well, I wouldn't say that was stressful, but it's a great relief to have got out of the channel. Absolutely loving these long passages.